ओम गुरुभ्यो नमः। ओम गम गणपतये नमः। ओम हुम हनुमते नमः। ओम राम रामाय नमः। ओम मातेश्वरी नमो नमः। मातृपितृचरण कमलेभ्यो नमो नमः। ओम शांति शांति शांति। हरि ओम श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः। Welcome to Astrology for You. I myself Acharya Sanjay from Rourkela, Odisha, India. In the present time, the planetary transit in the sky, in the zodiac, particularly in the month of August, September, though it is the eclipse month, solar eclipse and moon eclipse, in the house of 5th and 11th. That's why it's no doubt so stressful time zone. But in the present time, the planetary condition in the sky, in the zodiac, that is in the third house, Gemini, in the fourth house, Cancer sign, in the fifth house, Leo sign, and in the Virgo sign, this whole, 3, 4, 5, 6, all planets are in this house. Though it is not the great problem, but the problem is like this. The first thing is in the third house, two auspicious planets like Venus and Jupiter. That's why some conflict between you and your neighbor and younger brother, and there is some problem. There is some problem for near distance student travels. Like any kind of, you may breakdown of vehicle or traffic jam type problem may appear in front of your life. This is the basic impact and effect. But the more problem is in the Leo sign. In Leo sign, Sun and Ketu both, and after few days, 3 to 4 days, in the month of August, that Mercury and Venus in Cancer sign. So 2, 2, 2 in conjunction of both two planets in this 3, 4, and 5 house. And now within this next 7 days, the moon cross all these 3 and 4 house. That's why in this time period, some accidental impact in the human life may appear. That's why it is very essential to practice Mrityunjay mantra regularly and every day. And also another problem is belly related, stomach related, gas related disease and problem. And such kind of problem, the doctor just not analysis or diagnosis this disease, what kind of disease are going on in the general patient's body. Though they perform all the tests, but the doctor surrender in front of the patient that all the reports are okay, but patient feels such kind of pain and problem like belly pain, pressure in the brain, something metaphysics type effect, fear phobia, and excessive anger, sudden reaction, upper level chest pain, headache, and waist pain. And somehow doctor may advise you for stone operation, though there is no stone at all. If you test 2 or 3 medical lab, then the report must very okay. Why such thing? Already this all thing are mentioned in the Malika, that the time will come that doctor just not able to diagnose the real cause of disease and the real disease. These are all the very common symptom now appear in the human life because of Jupiter, overspeed condition or atichari condition or fast forward motion, super forward motion, and such kind of effect in the Jiva Tattva. Jiva means Jupiter, Brahaspati. That's why be alert. This kind of problem need some therapeutic treatment like naturopathy, Reiki, Panchagabya, acupressure, Siddha Vigyan, Siddha healing, Lama Fera, all such kind of treatment are more effective for such kind of Brahmajanita Roga, means hallucination disease, hallucinate disease. Though disease is not appear in the body, but symptom come out in your mouth, face and body. You feel pain, you feel some symptom in the body, but by the doctor test, any kind of test, they just not able to clarify that what kind of disease inside your body. This is called a Brahmajanita Roga or hallucination disease or Mayatmika Roga. Though disease is not there, but you feel the pain, you feel some problem, you feel some, any kind of symptom, the reflection problem of disease. But disease is not there actually in the body. Particularly those people are in Rahu Mahadasha or Ketu Mahadasha, they feel more in the whole dasa time. But now because of the eclipse month and other kind of, particularly Jupiter Atichari moment is there, that's why such kind of problem more appear in the general human being. Be alert, don't take any kind of wrong treatment and decision, otherwise you will suffer. The treatment are: first, indigenous Jebo cow ghee, put 2 drops in the both nose and navel region. This is the first treatment. Second was tulsi leaves, write in a white sandal the Guru mantra, and at the night time you put it here. And fourth one is do Satyanarayana Puja or Vishnu Sahasranama. This is very essential for such kind of Brahmajanita Roga or hallucination disease, or though disease is not there, but you feel again and again same kind of problem, same kind of effect in your body mind. Thank you.